So the first thing you're gonna need to do is loosen the straps on the back. So you'll just have to unzip this guy, and then you gotta pinch and release. And then you'll come over here and do the same to this side. And then after you loosen that up, you gotta make sure to get all these clips released. Since this one is hidden, some people tend to forget about this clip on either side. So don't let that be you. All right, so after you got the cover off, this is where you're gonna wanna put it. After you've stowed your cover, take the cover poles, store them under your seat next to the safety gear. Before you launch the boat, make sure you come back and check that your back straps are off, or the boat won't be leaving the trailer. Now that your boat's uncovered, you're ready to hit the lake. After you're done on the water for the day, don't forget to cover the boat back up to keep it clean. It's just as easy as taking it off, you're just doing everything in reverse. So one thing you do want to remember is before you put the pole down up front, you're going to want to take the cushion, flip it over, so that you will save your upholstery. So then when you get to around the tower, the Velcro makes it real easy to make sure you're doing it right. Take this and hook it on the tower to keep the water from pooling in the cover overnight if it rains. When you're covering the boat, you gotta extend the poles and they go right in here, also to keep the water off the cover if it rains. So that's all you'll need to know about covering and uncovering an access boat. If you have any other questions, feel free to check out some of our other videos. We answer a lot of the questions you might have when you're getting out on the water.